alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your AI generated images which I am creating nowadays. So this is very easy step. What you have to do, head over to Google, search here Artflow AI. When you search the very first website app.artflow.ai, just click here. Then there will be a authentication page for sign up and login. As already login, so mine not showing. So you have to click here. After sign up, you have to click here actor builder. Create your AI actor. Okay. So it will ask some basic information for defining your actor gender. It's male or female. So we are male. Click here. Actor age. It's a child or adult. We are adult. So click here. What is actor name? It is a trigger word which will use letter for creating your images. So it should be anything like being is one of my friend Rizwan wants me to create his images with AI. So okay, now we have to upload pictures. I have his picture. I have some of his pictures, so I will upload here. Okay, so the pictures are uploading. Here you can see the instruction. What kind of photos you can use. Solo picture, face fully visible, varied poses, backgrounds. So yeah, this is the required things, and this is the avoid things which you have to avoid for creating a model for generating your images. So I have uploaded. So here you can see accident. You may upload up to 10 20 images for best result. We have just 10 to 12, but you can upload 20 images for best result. Okay, now we have start training. Now the training is starting. So it's just a free trial. You have just to put any card information, and you can delete later. And you can delete a card information whenever you like. It's 100% free. You have just put some information of card, and then later you have delete and start creating your images. I will use a card for this. The card has been added, and you can see the model start training, and the training is in progress. So when it will complete, then I will show you by creating some images. It takes 1 hour or longer due to heavy traffic because it is a free plan. No need to buy any other AI tool for your images. So it will take some time because furry things take some time. So we will return after some time and we'll show you how to create stunning AI images of your. So wait. Guys, the actor has been created which is being Rizwan. So we have to create some images. This has been created by system by default, but these are awesome. You can see pretty good. You are not buying any paid plan. So the things which are free can create this type of results. This one I like. We create some more images by giving prompt. Here are some images which have been created. We have to refresh because the internet is very slow. Very down. Couple. Rizwan with Rizwana. Oh my god. I think the model work best when the prompts are best. When you give a little prompt and very dull prompt, the result will be like this. You have to improve the prompts, then you will get result of your desire. So this was a tutorial for you to train a model and create images. And I will tell you that it gives 100 credits, and these are much because 4 images per 1 credit, 4 pics 1 credit. So you have if you want to buy the plan, you can also buy from here. You see $9 per month, you will get 300 credits. In 32 you will get 1000. So it's on you which plan you like, free or paid. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, press the like button and also subscribe the channel.